Welcome to our YouTube channel, Speak English. Are you a Hindi-speaking individual looking to enhance your English language? Do you want to confidently communicate in English, expand your career opportunities, and connect with a global audience? If so, you've come to the right place. Speak English is a dedicated channel specifically created for Hindi speakers who are passionate about improving their English skills. We understand that learning a new language can be challenging, and that's why our mission is to make the journey enjoyable, interactive, and effective for you. Through our engaging and informative videos, we provide a comprehensive range of English language resources and lessons tailored specifically to your needs. So whether you're a beginner, just starting out, or an intermediate learner seeking to enhance your fluency, our channel offers something for everyone. Join us as we explore various aspects of the English language, including grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, idioms, and conversational skills. Our experienced and enthusiastic instructors will guide you step by step, breaking down complex concepts into simple, digestible lessons that are easy to understand and apply. But learning English isn't just about textbooks and grammar rules. At Speak English, we believe in creating a vibrant community of learners. We encourage active participation, interaction, and collaboration among our viewers. You will have the opportunity to engage in live Q&A sessions, interactive exercises, and language challenges that will reinforce your learning and foster a very supportive learning environment. In addition to our learning lessons, we offer valuable tips, tricks, and strategies to boost your language learning journey. From effective techniques to building confidence in spoken English, we aim to empower you with the tools and knowledge needed to excel in English communication. So if you're ready to embark on this exciting adventure of mastering the English language, hit that subscribe button and remember to turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Remember, practice makes perfect. And with Speak English by your side, you'll soon find yourself communicating fluently and confidently in English. Thank you for choosing Speak English as your trusted learning partner and companion. Let's embark on this journey together.